All right, let's read the problem very carefully. A lot of these can feel overwhelming. This one is among them. This one's going to require a calculator, by the way. Calculator active. How do you know? Well, when you're taking the exam, you'll know when it's calculator active or not because you'll be in that section. In this context, trust me, it'll be necessary. A function f is defined as this. This is a function that is defined as an integral that accumulates area of some g function. Selected values of f, g, g prime are given in the table below. We have defined f. We know a few things about f and about g and g prime. The function h is given by this. Okay, whoa, all of a sudden we have f, we have g that's part of f, and now we have an h. And whoa, confusing. Just keep reading, it'll make sense. For what value of x? Okay, final answer will be x equals something. Is h of x equal to f prime of 3? I'm just going to write down what goes through my head. No, I'm kidding. Here's what goes through my head. I'm going to have to solve an equation for h of x. And it had better equal f prime of 3. Okay? Great. If I need f prime of 3, then I'm going to come up here and start thinking about what I can do to get f prime of 3. If I want to get f prime of 3, so let's just take this idea and take the derivative of f. So if I take the derivative of f, I'll have to take the derivative of this side, and the derivative of this side is, the derivative of an integral just gives me the function I was taking the derivative of in the first place. Okay? Then the obvious question is, what happens to that -5? It's unnecessary. It is very unnecessary for reasons that will become obvious in a lesson or two, and this is what we have. So what is f prime of 3? I don't know. What's g of 3? They didn't tell us f prime of 3, but they did tell us g of 3, and they are the same thing, so they did tell us f prime of 3. G of 3 is -1. Okay, all this stuff right here came from just saying, there's an equation, I don't know what to do with it, let's just start writing stuff. If you're overwhelmed, just start writing stuff. It might click, for real. So f prime of 3 is equal to -1. So I need everywhere that x plus e to the x is equal to -1. Now, good luck solving that by hand. I'm thankful for calculators, and so are you. So what I'm going to do is graph both of those, see where they intersect, and it's going to be 1x value, apparently, because it says for what value of x. Also, because this is a strictly increasing function, just saying. X plus e to the x equals -1. And we'll type them both in, and standard window mostly will give us what we need. Here's x plus e to the x, and here's the line -1. There it is. We are going to find that point right there. Second in calc, point of intersection. First curve, enter. Second curve, enter. Guess, just starting point that doesn't have to jump over an asymptote. So final answer is -1.278. Found it. For what value of x? Done.